Yo, what up guys, welcome back to the vlog, welcome back to the channel. Hope you having an amazing day, hope you having a good day. Real quick before we start with today's video, if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, turn your post notifications, that way you guys can get notified every time I post a brand new video. So guys, thank you so much for coming back to yet another video. Today's video, we are gonna be trying rap snacks. You guys seen us try Cardi B and Migos, and I think we did Lil Yachty, yeah, and Notorious B.I.G. So now we're gonna try rap snacks by Lil Baby. It's all in flavor: salt and vinegar, barbecue, onion, garlic, and more. So yeah, so I just want to read real quick, because on every rap snacks chips, each artist puts their like motivation, their quote. So I'm gonna read Lil Baby's, and it says, now this is 100% facts and true. So pay attention to what I'm about to read, alright? It says, no matter what you're going through in life, remember, family is everything. Stay solid, stay woke, and take advantage of every opportunity that is provided to you, because like they say in life, nothing lasts forever. Lil Baby, and it's right there. So we're going to go ahead and give these a go. But before we start, if you're new and not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. So yeah, here we go.
Oh. They don't smell that good.
No. Yo.
No.
Hold up. Time out. I'm sorry.
We didn't even say what they are.
I did.
There's salt and vinegar, barbecue, onion, garlic, and more.
I think it was a salt and vinegar for me. Not so much the barbecue, the onion, or the garlic, but the vinegar. Bro, my butt cheeks went like.
Your chips are not good. They're not good. I'll give it a 0 out of 0.
I mean, I'm gonna be fair and honest, because I like his music.
Me too.
But the rap snacks, these chips right here,
boo-boo.
They're no bueno, cuz no bueno. I'm gonna give this a 5 out of a 10.
I'll give it a 0 out of 0.
Yeah, no.
I'm writing the title.
Yeah, just one. So.
No.
Just one.
Fine.
So, yeah, I was expecting something else, but not that flavor, you know what I mean? But yeah, 5 out of a 10. I think it's still fair. I don't know if they actually make these, or they go based on what they like and they create the chips for them. But yeah, these are Lil Babies, all in flavor, salt and vinegar, barbecue. Like if it was barbecue, onion, and garlic, maybe. Or barbecue and onion with, I don't know. But the fact that you added salt, vinegar, barbecue, onion, garlic, and more? What's the more part? Caca?
Poo poo?
Bro, let's smell that. So,
Beef is better.
So yeah, this video is gonna be way short. I apologize for that, but there's nothing else to talk about these chips. Don't get me wrong, I love his music.
Me too.
His music is off the chain. If you guys have not heard Lil Baby, you're sleeping under a rock, because he makes good dope music.
Yep.
But the chips, no bueno. What do you score at? 0 out of a 0? 0 out of a 10? I give it a 5 out of a 10. I'm gonna be straight up honest. The taste is not good.
Want some?
I need to watch that.
What?
Watch that flavor down. But yeah, I hope you guys still enjoyed today's video. If you did, drop us a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, turn on your post notifications. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, as well for my wife's Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. The links for other channels will be in the description box down below. Tomorrow's video, guys, I'm going to be trying a peace tea. I already tried one, and I think it was, can't remember the flavor.
We got you. Turn on. I just need the Wi-Fi to connect. Hello? Hello?
Which one was it?
Wait.
Right there. It was green tea flavor. I got 2 more flavors that I found that I'm going to be doing. But this time my daughter's going to be with me trying them.
Can I?
Yeah. So, guys, that's going to wrap it up for today. Hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Y'all take it easy. Remember, live, laugh, and be kind to one another. It's your partner, Senor Velasquez.
And I'm out.
And I'm out, y'all.
Peace.
Man, those chips taste like caca.